Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to adjust your brake booster push rod length using the correct tool, guys, which we have right here. And I would say this is the best method, guys, instead of trying to adjust it by feel, as you can save a lot of time doing this, guys. So if you have replaced your brake booster and you have a soft brake pedal or no brakes or dragging brakes, guys, this is what you need to do to get that fixed. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the master cylinder off, and then we go from there, guys. Okay guys, so now that we got our mounting nuts off the master cylinder, we can just pull it off, guys. And I'm sure if you did your brake booster, you would have to have done that process, guys. So here's our push rod adjusting nut. So we'll need a 7mm open end wrench and also a 8mm, guys, and a vice grip will come in handy. Okay guys, so for this process, here's our tool, which will insert this end into the master cylinder, guys. And we'll just loosen this locking screw here so we can get the depth of our piston, guys. So we just want to push it in like that until it sits, and then we'll lock this, guys. So after doing that, we'll just remove the tool. Then the brake booster part, we'll point it here, guys, and that way we can see how much more we need to come out. Also, guys, for this tool you'll probably need a feeler gauge, as the specified recommendation clearance is 0.020 of an inch or 0.53 millimeters, guys. I'm just hoping I can get you all to see that. Here we go. So whenever we adjust the adjustment nut, we'll use our feeler gauge in between to just get a small clearance of the 0.020 of an inch, guys. So let's get that done. So also, guys, this tool is magnetic, so if you want to get your tools out, you can just did it there and while you get your tools. So I'm just going to use my vice grip here, guys, to hold that. Yours may be a bit different where you have to hold on the splined area. So we just get our lock nut there loosened, guys, and then we can set our brake booster adjustment tool back onto our brake booster, guys, and then we can just make the adjustment that we need. I need to loosen this. Right, here we go, guys. So you just want it where it's sitting there, guys, and then we can get our feeler gauge, and then we get our clearance that we desire. Just making it jog on it, guys, just as if you're doing a valve adjustment. So just lightly, guys. So that's how you do your brake booster adjustment with the brake booster tool, guys. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. So all we gotta do now, guys, is tighten everything down and get it back together. Thanks for watching, guys. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.